Hey, you guys been wondering about the muster drill? Well, I can tell you all about the muster drill. And there's actually a hack to it. There's actually a hack. Yes, there's a way around. Well, you could skip a step. Let's talk about it. So we just got off the Carnival Breeze. Had a good time. I've been releasing a lot of video footage. Still have a lot of footage to go through. So if you're into that kind of stuff, subscribe to the channel. I also have a full review of not only the Carnival Breeze, but the cruise itself and the port. I got some gripes that I do have some gripes, and I also wanted to share you guys my opinion between the differences between the Breeze and the Dream. They're sister ships, and well, I've got my opinions on it. So stay tuned for videos like that. The muster drill. The muster drill was pretty simple. Man, this is the best muster drill we ever have. I hope Carnival and all the cruise lines adapt to this and keep this because it is so simple. Now, I told you guys about a hack. The hack is you don't need your sign and sale card. So, what we actually did, and I had looked at my boarding pass and it showed that the muster station was A3. I just glanced at it and I remember seeing it. And I was like, okay, make note of that. And then when we step on the ship, okay, we step on the ship and I see this guy waving this A3 sign. This A3 sign. I said, well, that's our muster station. So we go walking up to it, right? He's just waving. He's waving everybody down, that may have the A3. And he checks our boarding pass. And I say, can I use this? Do I need to go upstairs to get my sign and sell card first? Oh, no, you could use the boarding pass, a piece of paper, that has a barcode on it. You could use this. And that's what we did. We went straight from the gangway. Okay, we stepped on the ship, made not even 30 seconds, 20 seconds. I spotted that guy, and we just went straight in. They scanned our boarding passes, sat down. I wish I would have filmed the whole muster drill because it was simple. We were in there in no longer than 5 minutes. I mean, we sat down. I think we waited for like 2 or 3 minutes just for other people to come in. Okay. And then they basically show you how to put on a life jacket. And that's it. It was that simple. It was that simple. And dude, after that, we was like, okay, well, we go to our room, and because we had a suite, we went to our room, and our cards are ready and all that kind of stuff, and we started doing cruise stuff. Now, one thing that they did do right before our sail away is that the cruise director did come over the loudspeaker, and they sounded off the horn and the warning buzzer beep, loud beep, and they did do that right before we sailed away. So, but we were out there on, I believe we were deck 11 or deck 12, sitting there watching us sail away up there, and it was that simple. I wish all these cruise lines keep this because I guarantee you that this will just save a lot. Now, I probably would understand that a lot of people, they get on a ship and they think, oh, I don't have to go to a muster drill or whatever. So automatically they just, they start drinking and boozing and doing all their stuff, and it slips their mind. Now, they say that the ship won't leave unless everybody has done it. I don't know. I can't fact check that. But I could tell you how easy it was and how easy it was for us. So, like, just say if you didn't have a suite and you didn't have your sign and sell cards ready, okay, you can still use your boarding pass. Get that done, get that over with, start your vacation. Anyway, it was such a good time. I can't wait to show you these videos. Got tons of videos coming out for you guys, so stay tuned. But I wanted to get this out there because a lot of people were wondering. Also, you need to understand that you got these QR things, right? QR things to just do your menu. I'll do a video about the QR deal, you know, that's everywhere on the ship, just every QR codes like everywhere. Okay, so I'll do a video on that here later on this week or next week or something like that. Also have the Progresso video, the Cosmo video, and some other special stuff for you guys. So thanks for watching. Hit that like button, and appreciate you guys watching. 73.